Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Trinity Tutors, where mathematics is made easy and brought to your doorstep. So we want to continue from where we stopped in my previous video, where we studied measure of central tendencies. And we are going forward to mean of group data. So we have a very interesting example here. The daily temperature observed in a given community is given below. Obtain the mean. And I said in my previous video, for those of us that have not watched that particular video, I would advise you go and watch it so that you can gain a thorough understanding of what we are going to look at today. So whenever you are asked to find the mean without an adjective in front, it simply means you are being asked to look for the arithmetic mean. So except in special cases where you are now seeing things like obtain the geometric mean or obtain the harmonic mean. So what we are asked to look for here is the arithmetic mean. So we have the class, and the reason why this is called a group data, you discover that it is 20 to 29. 30 to 39, so all the numbers in between. That is why it's called a group data. We group everything together, and this is how we have the class and the frequency. So remember, a formula for mean for a group data that has frequency, like I said in my previous video, is equal to the summation of fx all over summation of f. Summation of fx all over summation of x. So in this our question, we don't really know what our x is. We already have the frequency, but we need to find our x, and the x here is called the class mark. So this is why we have an empty column here. That's where we're going to be having our class mark. So we come over here and we have class mark. Can put in brackets x. So how do I get the class mark is now the next question. So how to get the class mark is, we call this the lower class limit and this is the upper class limit. So x can be, x is equal to lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. That is, in this case, we have 20 plus 29 divided by 2 will give me what I will have here. So you just pick up your calculator right away, and we're going to do 20 plus 29 will give us 49. Then you divide it by 2. So we are going to have 24.5. Let's do for the next one. We have 30 plus 39 will give us 69 divided by 2. That's 34.5. Let's do the next one. We are having 40 plus 49, that's 89 divided by 2 give us 44.5. So you discover that it's a kind of sequence, an addition of 10, 10, 10. So we can just go through. The next one gives us 54.5, the next one gives us 64.5, the next one gives us 74.5, and finally 84.5. So we have gotten our class mark, and I believe we've gotten everything needed to solve this particular question. So the next thing is fx. We create another column for fx. And what's the meaning of fx? It simply means f times x. So this is f and this is x. So whatever we get from the multiplication of the both of them, we write it here. So we have 24.5 times 5 gives us 122.5. The next one is 34.5 times 7, which is the frequency, gives us what? 241.5. The next one is 44.5 times 8, gives us 356. Also, we have 54.5 times 6 gives us 327. The next one is 64.5 times 7, that is 451.5. The next one is 74.5 times 9, that is 670.5. And finally, we have 84.5 times 8, that's 676. So we've gotten our fx. So what is this? This is sign is saying summation. So we have to add everything here together. So we'll start from this 122.5 plus 241.5 to the next one, plus this 356, plus this 327, plus this 451.5, plus this 640.5, and finally 676. So we have a total, you can write total here. We have total of 2,845. So we add our frequency. We have 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8. Why are we adding frequency? Because we are going to be dividing by the summation of our frequency. So we have 50. So going by that formula, our mean is equal to, what is the summation of fx? The summation of fx is 2,845 all over what's the summation of our frequency is 50. So 2,845 divided by 50 will give us 56.9. So this will be our arithmetic mean for this question. It's very simple, and I hope you got the explanation. So this is how we are going to be doing it whenever we have questions around arithmetic mean, particularly as it regards to group data. So you can get any question of your choice, and attempt to look for problems like this, and I assure you, you will get the answer. So if you have any question, or probably you didn't understand, you can let me know in the comment section, as well as endeavor to subscribe to this channel and like our videos as well. Do well to also send these videos to your friends, particularly those of them in school that you know will really need this particular tutorial. Thank you very much for joining us today. Hope to see you in our next video where we'll be looking at the median. Thank you very much.